The value of MSIM, I think, is only being discovered now. It really is about where technology is going and much less about the past world of just software development and building hardware solutions.
The Master of Science in Information Management at the University of Washington Information School prepares students to organize information and build information systems to meet human needs. Graduates of the program are prepared to lead in the information field.
The knowledge that I got from the MSIM program is supporting me directly in my day-to-day job through the toolkit that I was able to gather and to build for myself and for my career. And this toolkit would include the methodology for user-centered design for information architecture, the methodology for designing databases and database architecture.
Students learn the strategic value of information in today's global knowledge economy.
We spend a lot of time working with leaders in industry, leaders in other organizations to help build curriculum that fits their needs. We have an advisory board which consists of a number of individuals, CIOs from around the state. We have the state of Washington CIO from the state government on our board. We have representatives from Boeing, from Microsoft, from venture capital firms.
The skills students learn at the iSchool apply, of course, not just to the Northwest. I would say the program is globally focused. I'm thinking in particular about roles like business analysis, process engineering, project management. They are the make or break aspects of good projects and the successful automation environment of a firm.
If we're able to have people come into the organization who understand the value of information-based decision-making, it helps move the business forward.
Students develop a strong theoretical foundation, then learn to apply it.
Our program is very much a hands-on program. Many of the classes will have a project, and the students are working in teams on this project throughout the quarter. It's a way for them to incorporate the academic side of things into a practical application.
Cindy Mitchell, a grad of the MSIM program, helped design Alaska Airlines virtual assistant, Jen.
Hi, I'm Jen, your virtual assistant for the Alaska Airlines and Horizon Air website.
So Jen lives in a window alongside the alaskaair.com website. It intentionally looks like an instant message window, and that's because that's the type of interaction that we want the customer to have with Alaska Airlines. Jen will give a text response, a verbal response. She will also redirect the website to the page that has the answer to the question and provide links to associated information. She also has a personality, which allows her to engage with the customers and develop a relationship. The response to Jen was huge, and the bloggers loved her. They loved being able to go out and construct conversations around her personality and use that in the blogs.
Goodbye.
Our website has won many awards for its ease of use and the ability to buy a ticket.
The ability to develop creative solutions to information challenges translates to nearly every organization.
Because I've known so many people and I had a chance to explore so many career opportunities, the MSIM program really opened quite a few doors for me. So now I have the possibilities to pick and choose what career I want to pursue. And I think this is, I do think this is entirely because of the MSIM program at this point of my career.